Hey guys, Ants Carnage here. I just got a Type 2 to Type 2 charging cable for my EV. It's a BOKMAN. So I got this from Amazon. I'm just about to do an unboxing. Okay, this is, sorry about the zooming in, the model number. It's 32 amp, 22 kilowatts, 3-phase, and it's a 5-meter cable. For fast charging. So this is for when you go to places that got actual the actual machine to charge, and you just have to plug this one in and it's cheaper for you. Instead of 60 cents a kilowatt, it's 30 cents. So just about to open it for you guys so you can see what's inside. Okay, sorry about that guys. So this is what it looks like. Actually a little case for it. Nothing else, box is empty, no instructions or anything inside the box. So the bag side's actually nice. It's actually got a non-slip grip, so you can put it in the boot of the car and it won't slide around on you. Nice little grab handle. Okay, so this is what's inside. So it comes all nice and sealed up. Actual instruction, user manual. Nice. Tell you how to do it, which one's the male, which one's the female. Your voltages, 3-phase, single phase. And also you get a little cloth to clean down with. Okay. Let's open this bag up. Maybe. Trying to do this one hand, guys. Ooh, struggling a bit. So there you go. Both the ends. Smells nice and fresh. Nice caps for them. It's one of your connectors. And that's your laugh. So that's obviously your female. See, that's just straight down. And then your male pins. So I got this on sale on Amazon. I think it was like $146 delivered. So yeah, like and subscribe. Ants Carnage.